Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix GCash account on hold. So if you're just getting this hold problem in your phone or in your account, there's only one way to solve this issue. That is, the first thing is that your account need to be fully verified for the past 12 months. So don't get scared if your account is hold. They are holding your money because your account is not verified and they don't have a complete information. Generally, it always happens when the amount is big or when it's your just an initial transaction, right? So the information or document you provided are not real. That's the reason. So make sure you do provide them a real and legal documents. GCash have received a directive from a government agency code a law to limit your account. So this could be a reason to fix it up. You have to just go to the support center, and automatically, of course, whenever they hold the account, they will give you the reason that why they are holding the account, and the reason most probably could be what I have already listed, right? So then you have to just fill up that information and that's it, right? So that's the thing. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.